In the colonial era, M.K. Gandhi and M.M. Malviya inspired 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗓 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗓, a young man from Karnataka, to educate the future citizens of a liberated India. In 1940, he envisioned this dream with a single classroom of just 6 students in Bangalore. Sri D.A. Pandu then took on the baton of R.V. with the same fervor. For 81 years, their passion to educate thrived from that classroom of 6 students with an overwhelming community of 6 lakh scholars, staff, and professionals today.
Carrying this legacy forward, we proudly announce the launching of Rashtriya Vidyalaya University,
a conglomerate of world-class academic institutions that will lead to global happiness, peace, and prosperity.